Hello everybody, LAX Spotter 97 doing my first Gemini Jets unboxing video. Hope this one goes smoothly. It's my first one. Today I'll be reviewing the Gemini Jets Delta 767-300ER model. Got this model a few weeks ago. So here we go. Inside the model box. The description, the registration is N192DN. Start the unboxing. Here's the model. Let's just get a little overview of the model here. And this is a ER model. Has the nice winglets on the side. I really like those. Got the little SkyTeam logo at the end. I got this model from Burbank House of Hobbies. They're a really nice hobby shop if you live in the Los Angeles area, specifically the eastern part of the San Fernando Valley. They're a really good place. They're located in Burbank. So if you want to buy or order a plane, they're a really good place to go. You can get you can ask for an online discount when you go there, and they'll give you a good discount. And I got the $5 discount on here for the saying I got it online. Now the reason I got this model specifically was in July I flew to Germany for a 3-week trip, and part of my flight was a 757-200 from LAX to Atlanta. No winglets, and I believe Gemini Jets doesn't have those anymore. They only have the one with the winglets. But my second part of the trip from Atlanta to Dusseldorf, Germany, was a Boeing 767-300ER on Delta Airlines, and I'd never been on one before, so I thought I'd get the model. And you can see the videos from that trip here on my YouTube channel. In the box. Alright, so it went pretty smoothly here for my first Gemini Jets unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. So comment, rate, subscribe, give me suggestions, and I'll see you later.